guys, happy Saturday. I feel like my face is so ashy and I need a lash brush, but yeah, I've been feeling so exhausted lately. So with work, the holidays, everything else, I just feel like I just haven't taken time to just do something that I want to do, or buy myself something that I want. Just a bunch of decluttering and getting rid of stuff. So I have an event tonight and I'm going to try to vlog and show y'all what I'm wearing and all that good jazz. But I have an event tonight, so I'm about to go find some shoes. I have a dress that I have in my closet I want to wear. I got this dress for my birthday, but I ended up going to Mexico, so I didn't wear the dress. So tonight is a black and white attire event and the dress is black and white. So instead of buying something new, the dress is really cute, I'm like, we might as well do the dress. So I'm gonna do the dress, but I wanted to get a specific shoe off of my luxury wish list. I'ma treat me today if the shoe is in stock. So that's what I'm going to go do and bring you guys along to just chat with, since it's just me. So let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out.
Okay, so I was able to secure it from the YSL store. I don't know if you guys can hear me, it's kind of loud. And I'm gonna show you some things I think I'm gonna add to my wish list while I'm still in here. So I thought I wanted more pink Uggs, but I want these instead. But they have a hefty price, $8.55, $8.85. Not too bad, but adding it to my list. Maybe my fiance can snag these for Christmas. Christian Dior boots are kind of calling my name too. $12.50. I love these. I think I'm gonna get these come summer. These are also on my luxury wish list. Absolutely love these too. Look who I bumped into. Hi, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, so look at this. I need to lay that down right. But I am back home and I am about to get dressed. I've actually been home for quite some time. I just been chilling around the house, took a nap, and I'm about to start getting ready for the evening. And I'm gonna do my unboxing. Okay, so this is how it came in a bag like this, and it technically had tape here, but my nosy fiance wanted to see the shoes, so he opened it before I got to shoot the unboxing. Let's take these out.
Give it a good. I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. With that mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh,
So yes, I am quite excited about them. So this heel height comes in two different forms. It comes in, I think it's like a 3.8 or 4.3. I have the 4.3, and I think that this is going to be an essential piece of my wardrobe, especially because I have the YSL bag that I got for Christmas from my fiance last year with the black hardware. So having that to pair, you know, the looks are endless with a black pump and the purse. Now, crazy thing is, I thought about getting the OPM sandal with the YSL heel for the summertime, and I might still get it. I might not get the sandal that has the YSL heel, but the one that has the YSL on the front, and I'll put a picture here, which a black single strap sandal is also an essential piece that you can add into a capsule wardrobe, which is what I'm heading towards. I've done a lot of decluttering in my closet, and I told myself that I will only splurge on classic pieces that are timeless. I will not splurge on things that I consider trendy. One shoe I thought that was very trendy this summer that I really liked, but I refused to splurge on, was the Bottega Veneta sandals, and I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen. I thought these were so cute. They came in so many colors. I thought they were so pretty, but I just felt like they were trendy, and I don't want to buy them and then they're just stuck in my closet gathering dust. So for those, I probably would have went with a dupe, because for me, those are just for a look versus classic pieces like a black pump or a black single strap sandal or things like that. I feel like those are classic pieces that can last throughout the years versus just, you know, and I feel like they're better for resale. Again, people are less likely to buy trendy pieces as they would a classic. Yeah, let's go ahead and get dressed, and I will do an outfit of the night, possibly vlog a little bit when I get there, and then yeah, let's go. Hey, welcome to the closet. It is still under construction. I am tethering back and forth with getting it customly built out or just leaving it like this and selling the house. So pray for me on that journey. But this is the dress that we will be wearing tonight. Isn't she pretty? So I bought this dress originally for my birthday, like I told y'all earlier, and I was in Mexico and it didn't get here in time, so we're gonna pull it out and we're gonna wear it tonight. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom, and yeah, I'm not really a makeup wearer per se. I thought about putting on a little bit of foundation, but I just don't feel like it getting all over the mask. So I'm just gonna brush these lashes. Shout out to my lash tech. She does an amazing job. She's also one of my best friends. And these brows, she also takes care of those. And I'm going to use Nivea to moisturize my face. I heard this is good for a primer too, for you makeup wearers. You only need like a drop of it because it's so thick. I should have laid that edge down. No guru at that either. But I'm going to lay it down to the best of my ability and throw on my scarf. So, yeah. That's about as beat as this face is going to get. I just don't feel like I'm getting on a mask. Y'all know how it is. And I'm going to have a mask all night. I think also for my hair, I'm going to put it up. Because the dress just, I think it looks better with the hair up. So I'll give you guys a snapshot of the full look when I come back. Period. Okay, so y'all did not get time to get you an outfit look. But I definitely will take pictures in the car with my A1. She came to pick me up, so let's see.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with
I'm about to jump in the shower, get out of this dress, jump in the shower, and go to bed. It was a really beautiful party. My cousin was so surprised. And yeah, we had a great night. So I am about to jump in the shower and go to bed. Like, I'm tired. My whole house is shut down. They all fell asleep on the couch downstairs, so they must have had like a movie night. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her